Collection templates are here. This has been one of our most requested features, and from today, right now, you can build custom collection pages within an instant without code. It's time to get rid of the same old collection page everyone has and build something that's unique, fits your brand, and will help increase your revenue. Let's go over how you can get started. Within the layer panel, we can find a new tab called Collection, where you can find the building blocks for creating a collection template from scratch, from filters to a product catalog. The easiest way to get started is by picking a template. So let's open the template library, open Collection Templates, and pick a template we like. For example, this one right here. Before we start customizing this template, let's go over the foundation. On the left side, we can select a container that holds the product filters. And on the right side, there is a container containing all of the products. If we focus on the products, we can see a fixed grid element is used to easily showcase all the products in a grid layout. The fixed grid contains a product card with the product image, title, and price. The product card is being repeated, indicated by the number 6 we can see in the layer panel. Looking at the right side of the canvas, we can see the product card is getting repeated on the collection products with a limit of 6, meaning it will only show the first 6 products that are in this collection. Too often, collection pages are treated as just simple product grids, but your collection pages are a great place to tell your story, offer discounts, run seasonal campaigns, or highlight new arrivals. Since the first product grid shows a maximum of 6 products, you can drag in a row underneath that can contain any content you want. In the layer panel, you can see we have the fixed grid element, then a container with the marketing content, and then another fixed grid element. Since the first product grid on the collection page displays only the first 6 products, we can use an offset of 6 on the second product card repeater. This ensures it starts displaying products after the 6th item, so we avoid showing duplicates. The features you need to build collection templates are all here, from the most common product filters to sorting options. In addition, you can let customers clear all selected filter options with one click. And as we scroll down, there is a load more, or in this case a show more button, with which you can determine how many products should be loaded in each time. When it comes to making collection pages responsive, we need to think about 2 things. First of all is the fixed grid that has all of the product cards. We need to make sure that in every single viewport we can view the products in a nice way. Then we need to think about product filters. If we take a look at this template on the mobile viewport, the row that contains the filters is hidden, indicated by this closed eye icon. This way, only the fixed grid with the products are visible on the canvas. However, there is a filter button. When we select it and go to the interactions panel, we can see this button has a toggle overlay action. So, when we preview this collection page and click on filters, an overlay is triggered that contains the filters. And this is just a regular overlay that in this case contains a row with the product filters. And that's it for collection templates. We hope you are just as excited as we are, and we can't wait to see all the beautiful collection templates you will build.